That's what a real honeybee looks like. See the little sacs on his legs? He's collecting pollen. There's a honeybee. Don't see too many of them around. We got them all over around here. I am what I am. We got our harvest baskets. We'll get us some potatoes. Tater time. Onions are getting bigger. Won't be long on them. Still getting a lot of these good. Tammy taught me to tear the vein out of them just like you do a shrimp. Break that off and tear the vein out. Candy. She's getting potatoes. Yeah, pretty good start. That's that one looks like a sunflower. See how the leaves are? That's what you call a hillbilly tomato. That's a hillbilly tomato. But tomato forest out here. We're gonna plant new potatoes as we're digging up the old ones. So we'll have a second crop this year of potatoes. We gotta dig up all these potatoes. So hopefully we got enough baskets. If not, we'll get some more. So actually I think down there on that end, those last 4 rows, we're not gonna dig up yet. Just these ones that are dying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. They're about 15 foot long. So we'll see what kind of potatoes we get. So dug these up. Tammy thinks these still have some time to grow. She wants me to get these ones of bugs and whatever. They're dead, dying. But she wants me to leave these green ones. But look at them. We got potatoes. But I'm just ready to dig them up, plant more. They've been growing for long enough. I don't think they'll get much bigger. Okay, so these are the mounds that we're taking out. And as we're taking our potatoes out, we have this new seed potatoes laying in the valleys between. And then we're just going to take dirt as we dig these up, sort the potatoes, and then you throw these plants and your seed potatoes, plants that all your potatoes come off of, and your seed potatoes, and just throw them right back down in there and just cover them up. You don't want all the dirt because you want to add dirt as these grow in the next few months. so the potatoes have stuff to grow in. So you just want to cover them up. And then when you see these starts coming up through the dirt, we're going to cover them up even more. So that's what we're doing. It's been getting a nice steady rain all day. I think all the plants are loving it. It's been so long since they've gotten rain. It's supposed to be in the low 70s all week. 70 degrees is perfect growing temperature for tomatoes. So if it hits 70 in the night or in the morning, they'll grow. Anything above or below that, they're fairly slow. So I think my tomatoes are going to take off this week, getting some rain, which I don't want too much. It's just, we've been working out in it all day, so it's not too bad. If we don't get too much and it stays around 70, I think the garden and everything's gonna love it. So we did, there's another one over there underneath the corn. Dig up probably half the potatoes, and there were 70 pounds of potatoes. We planted 5 more rows. There's still some at the end of all the 4 rows we dug up. We have 5 more rows to dig up that we planted late. And then we're going to replant as long as we can find seed potatoes, because we're out of seed potatoes. A few more rows, all the rows back in as we take them out, or as many as we can. So yeah. So we're accumulating quite a few eggs. So tonight we're going to make an egg recipe. Fairly simple. It's basically just a breakfast potato casserole. I'm going to pick out all the green eggs. It says 5 eggs. That way we can have green eggs and ham. We're going to try to incorporate at least a couple egg meals in the day. Try to eat up some of these eggs that we've been accumulating. We're going to take these frozen hash brown patties, or you could take tater tots. Just throw it in the bottom of your casserole dish. Okay. Need a half a cup of chopped onion. Bugs. That's part of country life. Especially when the door's open. It's nice out today, so we do have some bugs in here. Alright, we also want some mushrooms, which we only have canned mushrooms right now. Oh, we do have this jarred mushroom. Just some jarred mushrooms. We're going to drain those. Somewhere. our eggs. In this case, 5 eggs. Some of the garlic out of our garden. Still need to learn how to grow mushrooms. That's one thing we eat a lot of that I don't grow. Along with onion, garlic, peppers, tomatoes. That's in a lot of our diet. From the field to the table. Alright, we're going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Some of this Deluso peppered ham. Not much though, Tammy's not a big ham person. She did like this though. So that says a lot about this ham. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. This was found in an Amish grocery store. Couldn't ship it because I didn't think it'd make it there Bone Day. But definitely good. Hey babe, do you know where the green pepper is? I'm just going to shred in some of this, it's called farmer's cheese. I don't know if you've ever had farmer's cheese. It tastes like a mild white cheddar, almost like an American. Well, yeah, we haven't picked any green peppers yet. So we're still using last year's frozen. We freeze our peppers, they last us a whole year. And look, you take it right out of the freezer. You don't even have to cut it, just chop it up. You can cut it. Easiest way to do it is to slice them up and lay them on a tray and freeze them. You know, flash freeze them, and then take them out, put them in a bag, put them directly in the freezer. That way they don't stick together. Then don't ever have them out for a long amount of time. That way they don't start melting. Take out what you want, and you'll have green peppers all year. They don't have to be canned. They stay pretty fresh. Well, we've always done it. So we put some green pepper and some farmer's cheese. Oh, that smells good. I can smell them green peppers. We haven't even picked any yet. I would throw in some of this. I've been eating this. We had some tostadas last night. Really good. Had some jalapenos on it. I just cut them up fresh. Threw them right on there. Ooh, it was good. It was just a bean tostada too. No meat. So we got enough in there, and this will rise up. Kind of like a cake does. A little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. And remember, I put that red pepper at the bottom. And a little bit of butter. Tell me, do you guys leave your butter set out? Or do you keep it in the fridge? We leave our butter set out all the time. But we only use real butter. And we always have it covered. So here it is all done. That smells amazing. Took about 40 minutes. See if we can, the butter's still on top, you can see. See if I can cut some of this. See what it looks like. So there you go, you got eggs and all that stuff in there. The hash browns on the bottom. Looks like it cooked right into the eggs. Good. I'm not gonna put this on there, but that's pretty good too. Birds are crazy tonight. Must be a lot of bugs. See them all? Everywhere. It's been like this for hours. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like these videos, we have a lot more on our Patreon site. So become a $3 a month. You can become a patron and get exclusive content, stickers, and a lot more, including the Tammy Can. So come check us out.